Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access passwords on your iPhone. So if you want to see all of the passwords saved in your iPhone, the first thing that you're going to do is open up the Passwords app. It should look something like this. So then you're going to use your Face ID to unlock, or the password. And then after that, press continue. You can turn on autofill because it helps you create passwords and save them to the password app. Press continue, allow notifications. And here you can check all of the passwords. You can, for example, press all. And here will be all of the passwords to your different websites. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.